All right, guys. It is super late at night. I've just gotten home, and my boyfriend told me my package is here. What? What? I'm so excited. Blueblood, yeah. All right, so this is just me unboxing it, getting it out. Just first impressions right away. Just beautiful. Just look at that. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Oh, just marvelous. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. We have to get it out. We have to get it out. What? What? Look at that. Just beautiful. Just feels just sturdy and good quality. And I feel like it's a good one. It's gonna be a good one. I don't know yet. I haven't opened it, but I feel like it's a good one. All right. Let's see. So I have to say I'm kind of surprised that there was no plastic cover on it. That's the only thing so far that I can say that is kind of different. Because, you know, most of them have like that little plastic cover thing, but this one doesn't. It's okay. I mean, it looks good. It looks beautiful. We're just going to test out the gorgeous colors and see. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do a review on the amazing Blueblood palette. So, I want to preface the video by saying, I support Jeffree Star. I'm so sorry for what he's gone through. It is so heartbreaking that he had to deal with someone stealing his products. And not only that, making a launch of such an amazing palette 10 times harder than it should have been because he had to stress about the stuff that was stolen. So, with that being said, I'm a fan. I'm going to keep buying his stuff. Yo, those thieves are not going to stop him from making his money and sharing his amazing product with the world and just giving beauty to everybody. Because look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. It is. It's gorgeous. It's just luxurious. It's what people want to buy. And you know what? To those thieves, karma is a BITC. Everybody knows the rest. It's going to come and get you. But today, we are going to get into this Blueblood palette. So stay with. Y'all know me. I have to hit the hookah when I'm doing my makeup. So I've already done most of it, sort of. Anyways, I did the foundation, did the little bit of the thingy with the contour. That's what it's called. Did the the concealer. I did a little bit of concealer on my eyeballs to try to help out and make everything nice in one color. So when I put the makeup on my eyeballs, it's gonna look cute. But first, we are going to swatch it. So beautiful, so beautiful. So we're gonna start with Cullinan. I don't know how to say that. It's beautiful. It's white. Has a diamond. Feels like velvet. Oh. All right. So let's go with the first one. Bam. All right. Now let's do mint tea. Minty. Look at that. Feels beautiful. Bam. Bam. All right. Crystal flesh. It's like a rose goldy color. Bam. That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. But not for this project today. Today we're gonna play with the blues. All right, let's see. Let's try I'm Cold. All right, that's the next one. Right, we're doing small swatches here, small because my fingers are already kind of dirty. All right. I like them. I think they're beautiful. I think that I'm not gonna swatch the rest because we've gotten the picture. They are pigmented, they are amazing. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I need to think about it before I film some more. All right, so thought about it, 10 seconds, still don't know. So I'm just gonna go in with it. So, the wheels of makeup beauty are turning, they really are. So I think I'm gonna start with, you know what? I'm gonna start with Blueblood. We're going to start with Blueblood right here, and we're gonna get a big little fluffy brush, and we're just going to put that all over our lid, just like that. It's a really beautiful, like blue, soft blue, like what you would paint a boy's room blue. It's beautiful. I like it. All right. Now we gotta do the other eye, because you know what I mean, we can't be unmatching. Hello, that would not be cute. That would not be cute. And if you've noticed, I only went in for each eye one time, and look at that already. Blue. Whoa. All right. Same brush. I'm going to put Blue Monday. It has the little lightning cloud on it. It's so cute. That's so cute. We're gonna do that to deepen our crease, but we're gonna use the same brush. So just dabs, dabs, dab. I just want the end to be a little bit darker, and then we're just gonna bring it into a little bit of the middle. All right. I don't know if this is gonna look cute. Hopefully it does. Bam. All right, now we got it on both eyeballs. What are we going to do from here? All right, we're gonna take this smaller brush. This is more like, I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna use it, and we're gonna go in with what are we gonna go into? We're going to go into it with Flourishing. It's this nice, like really dark aquamarine, like teal color. We're gonna go with that. I don't know why, but I feel like that'd be really pretty. I wanna just put that right over here and give the illusion that my eyes are like the ocean floor. Beautiful, crystally teal, and then darker blue when you get deeper into the water. You know what I mean? That's what I'm gonna go for today. We are going for the ocean floor look, guys. That's what we're gonna do today. Ocean floor. From beautiful crystal teal water in Mexico or Cuba or Dominican Republic, wherever you are from, whatever beach is around you, that's what we are doing today. All right, all right, all right. Now is the fun part. Now we're gonna add the glitters. Yes, darling. So for that, we need a different brush. We're gonna use this brush. Why not? It's the brush I have. We're gonna wet it. Right? Because you always wet for glitters. I've seen that in the lots of tutorial videos I've watched, so we're gonna do that. I don't know why, but we're gonna do it. And we are going to put Entitled. It's like the matching glitter color to Flourishing. We're gonna do Entitled over here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna start with. All right, look, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, and it's on the brush. Imagine on my eyeball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. I'm shocked. I'm legit shocked. Look at that. Look at my eyeball, people. It is beautiful. And I'm not even done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. That's so pretty. All right. Now we're going to do different brush, same process, still wet it, boom, boom. And we're gonna do ocean ice, because what are we doing? We're doing the ocean floor on our eyeballs. We're gonna look cute. And if we don't, you know what? I have glitter on my eyes. I'm still gonna feel cute, and you don't like it, you don't appreciate it, you can look away. So maybe not the best application that could have happened. All right, we're gonna use this brush to kind of blend it out. Boom. And I'm gonna do same brush. I'm gonna do a little bit of the Undertaker, is that darker color, and I'm just gonna put that right there. Bam. One eye done. Let's move on to the next. And if you mess up, you know what? It's okay. We aren't professionals. We're supposed to mess up. This is makeup. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to bring life to your life. You know what I mean? Light to your life. That's the way you say it. All right, and take a little bit of the Undertaker. Boom. Kind of deepen it out. All right. We're gonna take a clean brush. All right. It's kind of, it's a little messy up at the top, but it's okay. It's okay. We can fix that. We can always fix everything. So the way that I'm gonna fix it, I'm gonna take the big brush. I'm just gonna use that to like buff out the edges, especially on this eyeball. This one's the one that's giving me the most problem. So just gonna buff it out. Blend, 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 buff, 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 whatever you wanna call it. Same thing. So now that we've done with that, what are we going to do else? I don't know. Stay. All right, I have consulted with myself. I know what I'm gonna do. So I have some blue rhinestones. I have some white rhinestones, and we're gonna use that with our eyelash glue. And we're just gonna make magic happen. We're gonna make magic happen because why not make magic happen? We are going to make magic happen together. If I can get this thing open, that'd be great. Oh, they just went everywhere. It's okay, it's okay. Clean that up later. All right. So, I'm gonna get a little bit of the eyelash glue. I'm gonna get one of my stones. Get my little tweezers out. Hold of my little tweezers. Put the glue. All right. Let's get this ocean look started. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 3 gems on each side, and they're going to go down in size. So I started with the biggest one that came in the package, and now I'm going with the second biggest. If I can get it open. Don't judge me. It doesn't want to open for me. Ah, success. We have one opened. All right. So, next one. Same process with the glue. See? Tell me that's not just cute as shiitake mushrooms. So cute, so cute. If it just wasn't so tiny. I like it. We're gonna repeat the other side on this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, now that I have completed the same on the other side, now we're gonna take the white crystals and we're gonna do that on our brow bone. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll be right back for both sides. All right, now that I have all the jewels where I want them, yes, I know, it's beautiful, yes. I'm going to put on some black eyeliner, put on some eyelashes. Hopefully it doesn't take like 5 hours because, but hopefully I'll be back in a blink of an eye. All right, guys, this is the final look with eyelashes and everything. I don't know if I put it on right. It hurts when I blink. So tell me what you guys think. Blueblood, awesome, total thumbs up. The only thing I do have to say about it is that I didn't like that it didn't come with the little plasticky thing cover when I opened the box. That's my only critique. Other than that, absolutely beautiful. The colors are like velvet. They look amazing. They're super pigmented. I think I look great. I'm feeling my whole blue blood sea fantasy. It looks good.